Hi YouTube, just another little video for you. We're going to do a Devonshire road trip. We stayed in the Measure Inn in Caldicot last night in Newport. Just to beat, because it's bank holiday weekend. It's bank holiday Friday day. We left after work last night. Just drove up, it's about an hour and 20 minutes from my home. And basically we came here, free stopover, great people, real characters in the bar. They'd stopped serving food the time we got there because it was late, but they were quite welcome to use the Chinese across the road. We could have ate it in the pub, we didn't. We brought it back to the van after. We didn't get back till about 20 past 10 yesterday evening, and we ate the beer in the van, which was easier, you know, because we've got the table set up and everything. But they're great people, great staff, great bar staff, really helpful and everything. We're going to shoot on today, get on the motorway on the M5, try and beat some traffic. We're going down to a cider farm in just outside Taunton today, Bathpool, I believe it's called. It's called Tanpitsciderfarm. So we're going to head on down to there today and try and out. What time is it now? It's just after 8. So we're going to try and get on the road earlier. The sun is blaring outside, it's beautiful. Just pulled all the beds, put the beds away and everything up in the sky, as I say. And we're going to get on the road and, like I say, get into this cider farm. It's like an old working farm, so I don't know what it's like. I picked it up on search for sites, which I use quite regular, and I used this last night to find this. I also use Park for the Night as well. That's another app I use on my phone to find these places that that we go into. So let's get on the motorway, guys. Here we are, guys. We're just arriving at Tanpitsciderfarm. Here we are. Sign there, lovely. We're checking reception now and then we'll see what it's all about. I'm going to taste some cider. Well, here we are, guys, the barbie's going, and I've just poured myself a nice, well, I don't say nice, a glass of scrumpy. Nicola just tried it now, she's like pulling funny jibs in her. So, ho ho ho, that's strong. That's really strong. But, that's what it's supposed to be like. The barbie ready to rock and roll. Some pork belly ribs on, salt and pepper, some mushrooms and sausages. So, a couple of scrumpies. And a nice barbecue. Come on, sorry. Yeah. Wow. Here we are, guys, just pulling up a Leadstone caravan and camping park in Dawlish Road. Looks a fantastic park again, the sun's blazing, so let's have a look what it's like. Now we're going to check in. The lady's walking us in to show us our pitch number. And I hope these pitches nice and flat. I read the reviews and they're saying they're pretty flat, so I chose this field. Again, we're all on grass, electric hookup. Now we're walking down from the campsite now into Dawlish Road. This is the first well, inn, pub, hotel, I'm not sure what it is really. Mount Pleasant Inn, it says. Into the town, so I don't know how far down into town it is. We might see if we can grab a carvery. It looks really nice. So we'll see now when we get there. And we're going to walk down into Dawlish Road and probably spend some time on the beach, like I said. Yeah, guys, we managed to get into the inn on a bad seat. Look at that lot. You know, nice Sunday lunch here. Superb. The Mount Pleasant Inn. Here we are, guys. We just finished our dinner in I can't think of the name of it now, Nick. What's it called? What pub?
Mount Pleasant.
Mount Pleasant Inn. Beautiful dinner, really nice. And now we're down into Dawlish Road. That's a bustling little place, never been here before. Lovely little area. Trains are running through here, buses. Probably a holiday place. So, a couple of bars. Little walk around now and probably grab a beer somewhere. Now, there's Nick, look, with a jacket on his shoulders. I don't know. What are we doing?
Train station up there.
Is it? Train station just to the top of the hill there. Yeah, it's quite busy. Just another stroll down the front then. The train. What? Serena?
I'm sorry, my stomach's too queasy.
Yes. Yes. Just arrived at Cheddar, guys. Just parked up and we're taking a little stroll into the village, really. I haven't been here for so long. It's been quite a few years now. It's a bit quiet. I know, being the bank holiday gone as well. I don't know where they were parking because we walked in from the campsite anyway. So here we are. Cheddar Gorge. Crossover. Yes, we used to park here years ago, Nick. Come here. Nothing much has changed by the looks of it. It's a beautiful, quaint little place. Sun is blazing, absolutely beautiful. Jacob's Ladder, if you ever heard of Jacob's Ladder, I don't think you can see it, just up there. That's the steps going up the side of the cliff there. The gorge is just beyond that tree line there. What a fantastic day again. As they say in Rome, whilst in Rome, do as the Romans do. So we can have a cream tea